everyone, welcome back to my channel Passionate Priyanka, and today we are going to discuss about New Year resolutions and goals for 2021. Before discussing with the goals and resolutions, first let us see what happens with maximum population. So out of 100% people, 67% people follow their dreams or follow their goals for few days, whereas 25% people they follow their goals up to February month, and there are only 8% people who achieve their goals. So what is the reason for this, or why it is that we are not able to achieve our goals? It is because of lack of planning, and second important thing is no discipline. So now, question comes that how to set a perfect goal. For setting a perfect goal, you should ask few questions to your own self. Few questions can be, what did I learn from last year? What mistakes I have made in last year? How can I improve myself from last year? And what are the decisions that I should take for my upcoming year as compared to my last year's? So you should ask multiple questions to yourself to get the clarity of which exactly goal you want to set for your upcoming year. So friends, to achieve our goals in 2021, it's very important that we set a purposeful goal. Many times it happens that we set 20 to 25 goals, and at the end of the year we end up saying that we wasted our energy and time on these goals. So friends, it is very important that we decide what is purposeful goal and what is important goal. So always remember, don't set important goal but set a purposeful goal. So don't make list of 20 to 25 goals but make only 5 or 6 goals which will be useful and purposeful for you for your upcoming year. So friends, first of all we should understand that what do I want to tell you as set a purposeful goal. So when I talk about purposeful goal, it should be always achievable. Okay, it should be always specific. Now for example, if you decide that in your upcoming year you want to buy a car, so you just can't say or you just can't write somewhere and keep that I want to buy a car, but you should be always specific with your goal. Which model you want to buy, which color you prefer, at what time, at what date, in which month you are going to buy this car. So friends, always remember, you should be always specific with your goal. Another important thing is that it should be challenging but it should be achievable. Don't set the goal which is very easy and which will not make you take extra effort on it, and don't set a goal which is very tough and which will not motivate you at all. So friends, always remember that your goal should be achievable, it should be challenging, but it should be motivating too. So friends, it is very important that you break down your goals into different parts. Suppose if I ask you how you will eat an elephant, your answer will be of course in pieces. So similarly, our goals also should be achieved in pieces. So set your goal accordingly and divide it into year, month, week, day, so that it becomes easy for you to track that how much of your goal or how much of your decided part is achieved by you. If I give you my example, my thing or my thoughts for next year, amongst which the first and very important thing is I want to learn editing of videos. So I just can't become an editing master in a day. So I need to plan accordingly. First I need to learn how to make logos, how to make cover page, and step by step and gradually I will develop into my sector. Similarly, if you all also break down your goals into different parts according to year, month, day, so it will become easy for you to track it, isn't it? Block your goals. So what is this block your goals? Once you have divided your goals into different steps, the next step comes, that is blocking the goal. Many great people who work on their goals and their resolutions and achieve too, they have blocked their goals. So what is it? Here, what you can do is make a proper timetable and always select a day in a week where you will plan for the upcoming week, and you also need to think about the sacrifices you need to make for that goal, the planning which you need to make for that goal, and your action which will take you towards the goal. So always remember, all these things will take you one step ahead towards your goals. So now friends, let me talk to you all about to-do list and success list. So what is to-do list and what is success list? Most of us, what we do is, like me, what I do every day is, I make a to-do list where I decide what all things I want to do throughout the day, and at the end I put a tick mark. And I feel very happy that I have achieved my today's sorted things. But friends, always remember, when you plan for your goals, don't make to-do list but make a success list. In success list, you will be always motivated about your goals, which you will write it down in your diary and you will always have a look on it, so that every day watching it, you will feel motivated and happy. And always remember friends, that you can modify your goal, you can modify your hard work according to the situations. It is always not necessary that everything goes according to our plan. So little bit of adjustment and little bit of here and there in our goal is always okay. But always remember that don't go off track. Always keep your goal on track, for which you can take help of lots of things around you. You can take the help of diary, you can take the help of reminders in your phone, you can have many friends in your circle to whom you can share your goals, who will keep you motivated and they will keep you guiding and helping about your goals. So we can do all these things to achieve our goals in upcoming 2021. So friends, I want to see you all writing your goals of 2021 in the comment box. So if you find my video useful, share it to the maximum people you can, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Passionate Priyanka, and very soon I'll be coming up with lots of important topic and content which I want to discuss with you. So bye bye everybody and have a great year ahead.